Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. A couple other workflows we might use in design review are pointing to standard details or things like that. So let's say I want to do something specific to this concrete wall down here. I might grab my Cloud Plus and cloud this corner, come up here and paste my note or place that there. See standard detail, and then what I can do is select that markup, right click, and I'm going to go to capture from file, and I'm going to go out to where I have my images saved, select that standard detail and click OK. Now I get this nice little camera lens instead of a big detail on my sheet. And this is going to be a reference to whoever I'm communicating with. So see standard detail. If I click on that, it's going to open up my flip book and show me the standard detail for how we want that wall built. So you can attach standard details that way, pulling those from your CAD libraries and things like that. So I'm going to close out of that. Another way to do that is perhaps you have a detail on another job, a past job. Let's see if we can find a good detail. Let's try this one here. So we've got our standard isolated footing with a pier and a steel column above that. If I want to pull this into my drawing as a base to start with, I can come up to Edit, Snapshot. G is going to be the shortcut key for that one. And I'm going to click and drag a box around this detail on my old project. It's going to flash blue and take a picture of it, putting it on my clipboard. Now I can go back to my current project, right click and paste, and it'll put that detail on my sheet. So that is a great way to reference another project, a detail that I want. Maybe you put in a text box underneath this and put in, this was project number whatever, so they know where to go find that detail. Detail 5 on 0.2 in this project number. And then on top of that detail, you could go and use your text boxes and your callouts and whatever else you need to mark up what's different on this project compared to the other one, if there are any differences. So that's another way that we can communicate using old data and then pulling it in to our next project. Well, that's what I have for you today, a little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.